I hope you all are safe. Due to coronavirus, we are going to record the lectures and make them available in the course web. So I request you to study this lecture note and continue your self-studying as well. Last week we have discussed product and price elements in the marketing mix. So this week we are going to discuss about the distribution. In marketing, we identify distribution as marketing channels. When we consider about manufacturer can't always reach to their customers individually because customers are spread everywhere. So one by one, manufacturer can't reach the customers with their product or service. So there need to be someone in the middle between manufacturer and customers to distribute this product, and these middlemen we identify as intermediaries or marketing channels. These marketing channels are set of interdependent organizations that involve in the process of making a product or service available in the consumer's hand. The role of these distributors go beyond than just distributing product. Sometimes they are need to develop a market for our product. They are not just serving our product to the market, but they should be able to create a market for us. Think about a restaurant which are giving excellent service to you. It attract customers. Same as that, think about a supermarket which give excellent service and a nice atmosphere to customers. Again, you would like to visit that place and shop for different products. So it create market on behalf of manufacturers. In addition to that, the channel decision affect all other elements of the marketing mix as well. Imagine a company selling product in an upmarket store like Odell. All the customers expect the product need to be high price and it match with their high disposable income as well. So the selection of channel, if we have chosen that kind of upmarket store, we can charge high price. But if we are going for online selling, customers expect discount. So in this kind of situation, manufacturers need to provide discounts to the customer. Or imagine you are selling product in a discount store. Again, product need to be low price. So the selection of distribution channel affect to the pricing decision of our marketing mix. In addition to that, the sales force and the advertising decisions also depend on how much training and motivation the dealers expect. Then you can see the two pictures in the slide. The first picture, you can see the relationship or transaction between marketers and the customers. In the first picture, there are 16 transactions between marketer and customers. But in the second picture, when a distributor come in between marketer and customer, those 16 transactions have been reduced into 8 transactions. It proves that this distributor can enhance the efficiency of this system. So that is another important of distribution channel. Then we need to identify different channel levels. At the first you can see the zero level channel, that is from manufacturer directly to consumer. Today this is visible in online selling as well. Consumers can purchase directly from manufacturer, or else if manufacturer handle a small group of customer, manufacturer can directly communicate customer and sell the product. Or else sometimes in related to industrial product, where customers has to contact manufacturer because so many technological information and training required to be provided to customer. In that kind of situations as well, manufacturer follow the zero level channel, that means directly selling to their consumers. Then you can see the first level channel, they are a retailer in the middle. Some international product like automobile use retailers for their international market. Then the second level and third level. When we see the third level, manufacturer, wholesaler, jobber, retailer and consumers. Products which are not perishable easily can use a lengthy distribution channel. And in international marketing also we can see a lengthy distribution channel. Then we need to identify the channel strategies. These channel strategies tells us how many distribution channels we need to be selected. The first one intensive distribution, the second one selective and the third one exclusive distribution. Let's see the intensive distribution. In the intensive distribution, the manufacturers select distributors or dealers as many as possible. Their product available everywhere. So last week we discussed what type of product need to be available everywhere. Those are convenience goods, daily goods, emergency goods and some impulse goods. They need to be available everywhere because product loyalty is very low and consumers always seek for convenience. So if a manufacturer sell this kind of product, convenience good or emergency good or impulse good, they need to select intensive distribution. They need to get their product available as much as possible outlets. That is intensive distribution. Product is available everywhere. Selective distribution. In the selective distribution, your product is not available everywhere, but you have selected few intermediaries, more than one, but few selected intermediaries to distribute your product. In this situation, sometimes you need to pass special knowledge or special technical advices to your customers, or else you wanted to maintain your brand value. Because of this reason, you select your distributors carefully and available your product only with those people. As example, electric Titan. Those are not available everywhere, but there are designated places like Singer which is available with this product, and those people are trained to sell these products with advices to customers. Then the third strategy is exclusive distribution. There, the manufacturer select only one dealer to sell the product. If we consider in Sri Lanka, only one dealer available for entire country. Most of the time, exclusive product use this distribution channel. Product like Rolex watch use only one distributor to sell their product. They wanted to maintain their brand image, as well as they know people who really want that brand, they would like to bother to come to that selective or exclusive place and buy that product. So if your product is that kind of special product, you can select exclusive distribution channel. That means only one dealer is available for the country. So these three we identify as distribution channel strategies. So I mentioned earlier, the role of distributor is not only distributing product. Their roles go beyond that. So there are so many functions that channel members perform on behalf of the company. They collect information from customers because customers deal with those intermediaries. Think about your retailer. You talk with retailer. You express your feeling about product or service to your retailer. So retailer can easily communicate that message to the manufacturer. So they gather information from customers. Sometimes they provide information about competitors, as well as they provide information about how the customer trend or choices are changing. All those information are important for manufacturer. Not only that, those channel members need to do communication on behalf of manufacturer. They need to promote the manufacturer product or service. They can put posters, billboards or cutouts on behalf of distributor. So they can design their store and paste those advertisements in a way that visible to customers. By doing that, they disseminate the communication of manufacturer. Further, those intermediaries negotiate on behalf of the manufacturer. They negotiate with customers and come to an agreement about price of a product. If we purchase electric items, sometimes we request a bargain price. So those people have been empowered to reduce price up to certain level. So they negotiate with customers and finally come into an agreement price. That also a task performed by manufacturer. In addition to that, those retailers, not only retailers, those channel members get orders from customers on behalf of manufacturers. They get orders and inform them to manufacturer. Then manufacturer produce that product or service and provide to customers. Not only that, these channel members deal with financial institute to get required financial funds for their operations as well. Like that, channel member performs so many tasks on behalf of the manufacturer. When we are taking a decision about a channel, we need to think about some special factors. As the first, we need to analyze our customers' needs and wants. A study conducted in 40 groceries and clothing retailers has found out that they have three types of shoppers: service quality shoppers, price or value shoppers, as well as affinity customers. Who are they? Service quality customers. They expect good service from a store and they would like to pay higher price as well, and they need high quality product from those stores. So those customers we put into the first category, service quality customer. Then the second group, price or value customer. These people always looking for value for money, most of the time low or middle income people. So they are not very much bothered about service or high quality of the product, but they expect reasonable price product or low price or discount product. They are always attracted for sales promotions. Then the third group, affinity customers. These affinity customers are who primarily sought stores that suited people like themselves or groups that they aspire to join. They believe that they are belong to upmarket. If so, they are looking for stores that are catering for upmarket customers. So those type of customers we identify as affinity customers. Then the second factor that we need to pay our attention is objectives that we wanted to achieve through our channel. If we are working in a competitive environment, we should focus on minimizing our cost and provide the desired service to our customers. This decision about channel is vary based on the size of or nature of the product as well. If we consider building material, these building materials need a shorter channel because size wise they are big. And if we consider machine, the machine need shorter channel because you wanted to pass that technical knowledge to your customers and you need to provide after sales services as well. Like that, the environment that we are working as well as nature of the product affect on establishing our objectives and selecting our channel. Then we need to think about what kind of channel alternatives we have. There we can consider types of intermediaries. Are we going to select wholesaler, retailer, or we are going to use online channel? Those are available channels. So which we are going to select and which will be suitable for our product. And number of intermediaries. Can you memorize? We have discussed intensive, selective and exclusive strategy. Like that, which strategy we are going to select also an important channel decision. After selecting these channels, we need to evaluate each alternative channel according to economy, whether this channel is economy. whether it gives us economic value. Or control. Do we have enough control power on that channel? And adaptive criteria. Are they adapting? Are they flexible enough to deal with? So we analyze based on these criteria and we will select our channel for future. After selecting a channel, we need to manage a channel. So there are some channel management decisions. When we select a channel, we need to think about our target audience and the nature of product that we sell. Imagine selling Mercedes-Benz by a dealer who dress very dirty. Customers see intermediary as the company. They are not dealing with company directly, so they see intermediary as company. So we need to be very careful in selecting dealers who are matched with our brand image, who are matched with our target audience. When we are selecting channel, the characteristic that we are looking for are number of years that they are in the business, their past records, whether they have good service records or their financial strength, whether they are growing or whether they are losing their business. Those things we need to consider when we are selecting a channel member. Then we need to provide proper training for those channel members, because we need to treat our channel members same as to our final consumers. Channel members are our internal consumers or internal customers. So we need to provide proper training to them and we need to monitor their performance. Most of the time, our final consumers believe channel members' word. If we make channel members happy and if we provide them good quality training, they will spread positive word of mouth about our product or service among consumers. That is really valuable for us. Then we need to think about what kind of power as a manufacturer we have over the channel members. Channel power means our ability as a manufacturer to alter the channel members' behavior without affecting to any other things. Our ability to alter channel members' behavior. So our ability as a manufacturer lies on several facts. As the first, the coercive power. Coercive power means the manufacturer threatens to withdraw resources or terminate relationship if intermediary fail to cooperate with them. So as a manufacturer, we should have that power. If manufacturer not cooperate with us, if intermediaries not cooperate with us, the manufacturer should have power to withdraw his resources or terminate the relationship. Reward power. Manufacturer can provide reward to intermediaries who perform the required level or above that. That encourage the other intermediaries also perform well. Legitimate power. The manufacturer requests a behavior that is warranted under the contract. They have contract and intermediary need to view the manufacturer as a legitimate leader. Expert power. As a manufacturer, we have expert knowledge about our product. We have expert technology. So we are the people who know about this product very well. But in long term, when our intermediary get that expert power, become knowledgeable of our product, become knowledgeable of manufacturing our product, our expert power getting weaker. Referent power. Referent power is the manufacturer is so highly respected that intermediaries are proud to be associated with. Our intermediaries would consider that it is honor for them to associate with us. That is referent power. If we have good brand value, highly respected brand value, we have good referent power. So these are the channel power, the manufacturer power over the channel members. we should be able to use them tactfully to handle our channel members. When managing channel relationships, some manufacturers start channel partnership looking for long-term relationship, so that partnership also give them certain legitimate value to handle this relationship and certain bargaining power as well, because when you get together or having partnership, your value goes up, your bargaining value in the industry goes up. So some organization looking for long term relationship like having channel partnerships. Then we are going to discuss about channel integration and systems. Conventional marketing channel. In the first picture you can see a total distribution: manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer and consumer. And in second picture you can see vertical marketing system. In a vertical marketing system, what has happened? Those manufacturer, wholesaler and retailer become one unit. So they become one unit and they have so much power and they get so much advantage in marketplace as well. As example, if we consider Damro. Damro is a manufacturer, they are doing their own wholesaling and they are doing their retailing as well. In addition to that, some companies form contract with wholesalers and retailers and become one unit. So this vertical marketing system happen in two ways. Corporate VMS, corporate vertical marketing system, mean the marketing system is combined under single ownership. As I mentioned, Damro, wholesaler, retailer, manufacturer under one ownership as a one organization. Or else some organization can build or work as one unit by having relationship via contract. As example, franchise organization. Manufacturer is someone, retailer work as a franchisor. So both of them work as one organization under contract. So vertical marketing system can happen as a corporate, that means under single ownership, and as a contract. Then under channel integration, we can discuss about horizontal marketing system. Horizontal marketing system. In a channel, we build a relationship with our horizontal channel members. As a imagine, two retailers have a relationship or be partner with each other. By doing that, they will get good market opportunities. As example, banks in a grocery store. So both will get benefit by doing that. Or else two retailers get together and merge. As example, AliExpress or Alibaba join with Daraz. So they get chance to work as bigger organization and serve for larger customer base. In addition to that, their bargaining power all on suppliers, banks and all the other stakeholders holders also goes up by having this kind of partnership. The other type of channel integration is hybrid marketing system. That is multi-channel distribution. That means single firm use different marketing channels to distribute their product to one or more customer segments. As example, retailer use their own store as well as catalog as well as online to sell their product. So in this picture you can see a hybrid channel. Their producer cater two types of customer segment: consumer segment as well as business segment. To serve consumer segment, the producer use catalog, telephone, internet as well as retailers. So there are two channels. Then to serve business segment, the producer directly sell using their own sales force as well as use distributors as well as dealers. So this kind of system we can identify as hybrid system. But when you are using different channels to cater one segment, it may create for so many channel conflict, so many issues. Let's discuss them. Conflict, cooperation and competition. There are different types of conflict when we are handling a channel. At the first, horizontal channel conflict. That means channel members in same level are having some conflict. As example, imagine one Pizza Hut or one pizza manufacturer or producer give have so many franchises, and those franchises complain about each other, telling the other franchisee is using a low quality ingredient or less ingredient to produce pizza. So there are conflict between these channel members. Or else there are one pizza manufacturer and he has so many franchisees, and a new franchisee come to an area where there is an existing franchisee. Then again a conflict arise, that is horizontal channel conflict. That means channel members at same level are having conflict. Vertical channel conflicts occur between different levels of channel. As an example, a fragrance manufacturer starts selling their fragrance using their online store. Then what will happen? A department store may think of reducing the space given for that fragrance manufacturer's product. So there is a conflict between retailer and manufacturer. So these are two different levels and having conflict, and this type of conflict we identify as vertical channel conflict. Then multi-channel conflicts occur when manufacturer use several distribution channels to cater one segment. As example, imagine manufacturer use their own sales force while they are having their online store as well. In online store you are giving discount, then the sales force and the retailers find it difficult to sell their product. So there is a conflict arise in this kind of situation. So as a manufacturer, we need to work tactfully in handling this conflict. We need to make sure that we are not making this kind of conflict, and if conflict arise there need to be proper remedy action to solve them. So from that point I am going to finish this lecture, and let's meet up in next week with new lesson.